What's going on, guys? So I'm kind of sick, that's why I got these glasses on, and I'm not gonna be showing my face too much on the camera. I'll be showing this boy, where is he? This boy on the camera, because he's got a new toy for a toy. Let's say that.
All right, so we got full AWE track exhaust for my M3. It's 3-inch pipes all the way from the downpipe to the mufflers, and the best part is there are no mufflers, so non-resonated, no cats, no mufflers, nothing, just 3-inch steel pipes all the way out and some fat tips on the back. This is gonna be the rear section.
So wait, tell me about this, because they normally do something pretty cool with this, right?
Yeah, AWE, they do some pretty cool stuff with their packaging. They've got some awesome customer service. Here, check it out.
Wait, is that a blow pop?
Yes, they even knew my favorite flavor was strawberry.
You're serious? No, wait, that's included.
Yes, look, they literally make it for the blow pop.
Why?
Because, hey, good customer service is key. But anyways, onto the real candy. Some 102 millimeter diamond black slanted tips. This is my hand for reference.
Dude, those things are huge.
Huge tips. This is gonna be the rear hanger. So where your mufflers would normally be, this is where this goes. And it's pretty cool. Each exhaust is made to order, and they're all hand welded and whatnot. So you can literally see how the welds affect the metal and all that. It's pretty cool. It says track edition with my serial number. And then right here, so this is the way that the tips are gonna go on, is they V-clamp like this. And that allows you to maneuver them at certain angles to fit for custom diffusers and stuff like that. Oh, here's another cool little touch, just to show the craftsmanship. The AWE logo is cut into it.
Oh, that's cool.
Isn't that cool? So this is the main part of the exhaust. The downpipe is gonna connect right there, goes to 1X, and then they split off to all the way back to the mufflers. And here's another cool little thing AWE threw in. Got another blow pop, my second favorite flavor, sour apple, of course. And then license plate frame, cool little coffee mug since 1991. And then some decals too. We're gonna throw those on once we're done. Oh, also the shirt. Gotta stay repping AWE.
Shoot, yeah. We're about to get it up on the lift before we do. This is we're just gonna get a couple revs. Okay, if that's what it sounds like with just, what do you have right now?
I still have all stock exhaust except catless downpipes.
And we're doing what?
Taking out the mufflers, resonators, and secondary cats.
That's already really freaking loud.
Yeah, I didn't know it sounds this loud from outside.
That went 3, 4, and 5. Oh my god.
Okay, well, this is a full send, I guess. There's no turning back anymore.
We got the car up on our left. We just finished taking out these 2 bolts. There's one back there that was kind of hard to get to, but there's 2 and 2. These were 11 millimeters.
I got this brace too, which is gonna be replaced with the AWE machined one.
Yeah, so 2 screws right here, 1 right here, and same for this side.
Right.
And yeah, that's the brace.
You can see these are the stock resonators. I mean, sorry, secondary cats, resonator, and then the big muffler in the back. So that's gonna just be all 3-inch pipes straight through.
And notice that you don't have to touch that.
Yeah, don't touch that.
That has to, yeah, if you touch that,
I think that's
probably
connected to subframe.
Yeah, and that'll mess with your alignment, so.
Yeah.
No bueno. So surprisingly, those were pretty much the only screws that we really had to deal with. A lot of this is just like hangers.
Yeah, because the stock exhaust is all one big piping. The new exhaust is in pieces just to make it easier to install and fit. So we're gonna have a bunch of clamps on the new one, but this one has very few bolts in. Okay, we're almost totally loose. One more side. Okay, it should be loose. Oh, I got some in my eyes. I like it.
All right, here it comes. There we go. Sweet.
There's the stock exhaust. We still gotta take off the hangers.
So this is the stock exhaust. We just took it off, and then this is the new exhaust
we gotta put the rest of the exhaust so that they can see.
We already got kind of the clamps that are facing down. That way it's easier to screw on, screw off. Then we got our Peppermonte headers. What the fuck you making that face for, bro?
These are the mufflers, okay, bud?
No, these are headers.
What?
Left one is for an intake. That's the header.
What?
This is the butt end of the exhaust. Then we have these that go out here. So no cat back, no resonators, no nothing.
And wider diameter piping than stock too.
Dude, it's gonna be so loud.
Good. The engineers over at AWE think everything through properly. They accommodated for the wider diameter, so you see it's got a little indent so that the brace can, you know, fit the wider pipe, and it's just also a lot prettier. Bird's eye view.
Here, hold on.
Why is it bird? Why not monkey? Okay, that's racist. I'm gonna have to cut that clip.
We just took off the old clamps from the old exhaust, put them on this.
This needs to go further in, honey.
And push it further in.
I'm about to.
These are pretty cool that came with it. These are tightening washers, and you tighten them with an Allen key, and there's a little bolt in there, and they tighten so that your hanger stays on. Do we have any screws?
Yeah, Chase has got the clamp on.
So we just got these two screwed in. The difficult bit was getting that guy up there. Oh man, it didn't even want to focus. Okay, difficult bit was getting that guy right there, and then there's an even kind of more difficult one right there. What we did was we got this socket, we pushed it through this side, and so it bloop, it like laid right here, and then we got a big ass extension, and then we pushed it through like this. So I mean, that's the end that we had. So we put the end right here, then we reattached it, and then we were able to get to it like this. So that was probably the hardest part. And then we had to do the same right here, except this one we just kind of like, we had to like push to the side like that. But we were able to get those two in. These were very easy to put on. And now, right now, we just pushed these two on, and now we're mounting these up. Next, what we're probably gonna do is we're gonna have to put on the hangers, and then, well, first we're gonna tighten these loosely, and then we're gonna tighten them loosely.
Yeah. Well, you just don't want them to be slack. You want them to like.
Is that the right way to say it though? Tighten loosely, or is it loosely tighten?
Fuck it.
No, this is important.
Why? Who's gonna judge us? The viewers?
Because this is what makes videos entertaining. Classic RN tightening shit with an impact, bro. You're gonna strip it.
There's nothing to strip. It's already on the thread.
You're gonna strip this.
Bruh, y'all don't know how threads work.
Do you even do engineering, bro?
Dumb? We'll let the view.
Don't call him dumb. That's mean, bro. Jeez. Oh my god. Fucking bullet.
Not even on it.
See this? They should have. No, this one didn't have a different mode. Never mind.
It's an impact. They don't have modes.
Yes, they do.
Yes, Impacts they do. Yes, they do.
You make my hard head prove you wrong, huh?
I use impact drivers. The long ones don't have it.
You see this?
That's not an impact driver. That's a screwdriver.
These are different modes.
When y'all are so below my level that you can't even
Below your level, get out
That
of
is
here.
a screwdriver. This is an impact driver.
Hold up.
Oh, we just put on this third pipe here. Where does it start? It starts right here. It's going to right here. And then we got our hanger that it's gonna go right here. We're gonna tighten it up right there. Pull it down some more. Hard.
Don't push it, Tim.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Yeah, but it wasn't lined up. And now we should go together.
Alright, watch out, watch your fingers. There we go. So right here we have this, what would you call this?
That's what's in place of the mufflers.
But what is this? This whole thing right here?
That's the brace for the central muffler delete, if you want to call it that.
Gotcha. So we used to have this whole catback system right here. That went right here, but now we got this brace system going. If you look, it's quite literally straight pipe now. I mean, it's gonna be so loud whenever we start this guy up. So here's where we're at. Arian is taping up the old, what are these? These are for the valves, right?
Yeah.
But we have everything installed, and even down to here, we were gonna put the tips on, but we're gonna lower it. That way we're looking at it like an eye level or even lower to make sure everything's straight.
Pretty loud. It sounds good too.
So we just finished putting the tips on. Man, these tips are really, really pretty. They look really good. Happy?
Yeah, I'm quite happy. All right, so Tony's feeling a little bit under the weather. I think he's got some allergies. I don't know if the sawdust or what. Maybe the catalyst fumes are getting to him. I'm not sure. But anyways, I'm just gonna wrap up his video for him. The car is done. It's loud, obnoxious. I love it. Shout out to AWE. Shout out to Imperial for letting us use this beautiful facility. Thank you, Butch. And we'll probably be back with some more exhaust clips and another video. Maybe if we can get it to shoot flames and stuff. We'll keep you posted. Thanks and tune in for the next one.